Phoenix Contact laser printer really helps us with efficiency, accuracy, neatness, and we can produce our own product on site instead of having to wait for extended delivery times. My name is Chris Cole, new Southern Resistance Welding, and I'm the weld engineer. I initially came down here to help customers when they break equipment. I would go out on site and fix equipment that was producing but they had a problem with. NSRW is a copper supplier. The main business is supplying copper to manufacturing industry. We predominantly serve the automotive industry, customers like Mercedes and Honda, their suppliers which are Gustom, Camtech, and other industries in the area. Not just automotive, but also people that make steel cabinets, farm equipment, aerospace industry up in Huntsville. We supply all that kind of equipment. I think it's unique that it's a female-owned company. When it was first formed 27 years ago, it was the only company in the industry that was owned by a female. So we manufacture and recondition machines. So what we'll do is we'll have a customer call in, they will have a machine that's been running for a long, long time. Some of these machines date back to the 80s and 90s. Technology back then wasn't the greatest, wasn't the most efficient. We'll strip the machine apart, change out components, and make it electrically more efficient and more efficient weld, better quality, with a better lifetime. We use a variety of Phoenix Contact blocks, fuse holders, terminal blocks. We use the Quattro series, either as the 2 terminals or the 4 terminals. We find the 4 terminal Phoenix Contacts very useful, that we can have 4 wires in 1 terminal block, and then we'll put a joining link. So instead of a long strip of terminals, we can do something in a very narrow space. So it saves space inside the panel. To identify the labels, we were using a Brady printer, which was very time consuming. We were having to print it out on a piece of tape and then cut it to size, and it didn't always look the neatest. With Phoenix Contact, we can just load the blank material in, it prints it, and it's beautiful. It comes out so neat and it's so repeatable. We use it for printing the labels for the terminal blocks. We've also got labels to identify IP addresses, what the functionalities of the device, the specification of that machine. We were spending $1,500 or more on projects. With a laser printer, we've cut that cost down, and now I can make it on site. I don't have to wait for somebody else to do it. 25, 30 minutes and we're done with the whole thing. NSRW is very efficient. We always work with the customers as to what the customer wants. We won't charge you for updates if you want something changed and it's nothing major. We will just take care of it for you. We will provide solutions for you as to what your welding needs are. If you have a problem with something, we have engineers on staff and sales staff that are experienced with making changes to your products and what you're using to make your systems far more efficient.